Hey guys, welcome to Science Today. So for Science Today, we have an experiment. Now, if you want to do this at home, you may, but you do not have to. To start, if you want to do this at home, the next video on the next slide, go ahead and watch that. But if you don't want to do this at home, that is optional. Before we get to the optional part, I want to talk about what we'll be doing today. So, last time for science, you learned about Benjamin Franklin and how he invented the lightning rod. Does anyone remember what does a lightning rod do? It protects people from lightning, right? The lightning strikes the rod so it doesn't strike their house and get their house on fire. Well, we've been learning a lot and reading in different places about different natural disasters. We've read some about hurricanes and now lightning. And so a natural disaster is something that's really bad that happens in nature that you can't really do anything about, like hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, lightning. But there are some things you can do to keep yourself safe and help protect you. So today we're going to be looking at one of those, kind of similar to the lightning rod, but we're going to be looking at something called flood barriers. So a lot of times when it floods, it ruins stuff like houses and things like that. But some people have invented something called flood barriers to protect houses. So we're going to make our own model of some houses and some flood barriers to see what is the best model we can figure out to protect our houses from the flooding. So again, if you want to make this model with me, go ahead and watch the video on the next slide. But if you do not want to watch this, make this model with me, you can skip that video and go to the next one. I'm going to be actually doing the experiment and you can just watch me. All right, see you in a few.